Wednesday, January 22nd. Hope you enjoyed the extended weekend that we all received. I'm out of the classroom today, but still in the building and available by email if you have questions. Mr. Vice should have covered some announcements here at the beginning. Be reminded that I will make up or missing work until the end of class on finals. So first hour, that's 10:15 tomorrow. Sixth hour, that's 3:20 on Friday. Because we've lost a day, your exam, Unit 5 exam, will now be scored as extra credit. You're beginning an activity on health insurance. These steps would obviously be steps that you'd want to take in determining what health insurance plan is best for you. Should your employer give you a list of options to choose from when it comes to health insurance? The first thing that you should have received is the activity, and again, you're going to be jotting down some numbers here as to the various costs that health insurance requires. We're going to look at the cost for single-party membership, two-party membership, family membership, and health insurance. We're talking about premiums here. It is just the amount that it costs to have health insurance. It doesn't cover things necessarily like doctor's visits, MRIs, x-rays, prescription drugs, ambulance rides, going to the urgent care, staying in the hospital. There are additional costs. What we're trying to do here is compare two plans, the $50 copay to a $1,000 deductible, and every employer is going to have different health insurance plans. These are the health insurance plans offered by the school district to its employees. Once you're done recording all of the different costs that these insurance plans have, you're going to make the determination as to which health insurance plan is best for you. You're going to consider things like the monthly costs for premiums, the annual deductibles, the out-of-pocket costs that you can incur, as well as your current health condition. To complete this assignment, there are 3 handouts that Mr. Veith will pass out to you. The first one he's going to pass out is the health insurance cost schedule. This discusses the premiums. At the top, you will see that the health insurance cost for the $50 copay is anywhere from $875.52 to $2,556.49, and that is per month. That is the total cost of the premium. This isn't information that we want. What we want for the monthly costs for single, two-party, or family is what the employee would pay. All right, the total costs of the premiums are at the top. Then what will often happen when you're employed is your employer will contribute a certain amount. The district's contributions are listed here on the left, and we're going to use the teachers' costs for health insurance. We don't want these numbers here either. What we do want is what the employees would have to pay. So here are the costs that teachers would have to pay for health insurance. Single party membership in either plan is $0 cost. Teachers' costs for two-party enrollment, so you and your spouse, a teacher would have to pay $499.90 a month for the $50 VIBA. They'd pay $289.36 a month. Sorry, $499.90 for the $50 copay, and for the VIBA, they'd pay $289.36. For family, this is where it gets expensive, $1,113.55 a month for the $50 copay, $826.32 for the $1,000 VIBA. This is the information that we need to write here. We need the monthly cost, which is very much specified right here. Again, we're using the teacher's costs, right? Employees' costs per month right here. We're using the teacher's cost per month for this information. And then obviously to figure out the annual cost, you would just multiply that by 12. Once we've got that done, we need to know some of the particulars about these health insurance plans. To do that, there are 2 more documents that you need to use. One of which is going to be the plan, the information, the document detailing the information for the $1,000 VIBA plan. So you're going to see what your deductible is each year. You're going to see what the the out-of-pocket costs are going to be for individuals and family. You're going to see how much it would cost to go to the doctor. So you'll need the document on the VIBA plan, and then you will need the document on the $50 copay plan. So 3 documents to complete this assignment that you're going to have to read through. And again, we're just jotting down numbers. You've got a document discussing the particulars of the $1,000 VIBA, a document discussing the $50 copay. And then you have this very simple sheet telling you the cost for the employee each month for both of these plans. Once you have recorded all the information for the cost of health insurance, then you can decide what health insurance plan is best for you. This should be done by our next class period. So first hour, that's tomorrow. Sixth hour, that's Friday. We'll discuss this in class and discuss the information we use to make our determination on what health insurance plan is best for you. And then you'll take your unit exam, which again will be scored as extra credit now. Many of you are looking to turn your textbooks in today. That's fine. Mr. Veith has the list of students' names and textbook numbers. Once we get working here, you can start having your book checked in by Mr. Veith. Just place them in the appropriate cabinet by the door. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, but I'll see you guys in class tomorrow or Friday. Go Spartans.